All eyes tonight on the Cape Fear River, predicted to crest at 2 a.m. These dramatic pictures show the river climbing to 60 feet.
It's pretty rough. This is the worst I've ever seen it.
From the air and from the ground, search and rescue teams working around the clock to pull families to safety.
Oh man, I feel better now. We're dry down.
The rising water stranding people and their pets.
There's a bandit here. Yeah, you don't know what's going on, but you know you got to get out of there.
In Lumberton, a failed emergency berm allowing the river to flow into the city. Now hundreds of thousands throughout the state are still without power. Residents forced to wait hours in long lines to buy gas.
Madhouse. Everyone is trying to get gas and people are just fighting.
Nice to see you, sir.
North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper asking for patience.
I know many people are tired of the present and are scared of the future, but please know we will not give up on you.
And in South Carolina, a tractor trailer still stuck on a collapsed road. Mayor Larry Dobbins of the small town of Spring Lake, North Carolina, says 2 years ago they saw unprecedented damage from Hurricane Matthew, and he can't believe it's happening again.
Two 2,000-year floods within 2 years of each other. How does this one compare?
This is far worse. Far, far worse.
And Lester, tonight a little bit of good news here in Spring Lake, North Carolina. The water levels are finally starting to go down, but that means the water levels are going to the Cape Fear River in Fayetteville. That is where everyone is bracing for the worst tonight at 2 a.m.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.